Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just got through doing a video on these vines. I thought I'd show how to do these circles. I did it. I didn't make my dots big enough, but I actually changed the color, just like in the picture, to a different color. Three black or red, three black or red, and I did it with math. So what I'm going to do is just back up here quite a bit and keep going. Well, go back here and get rid of a bunch more at one time. Go through all the duplicates. So I just made duplicates. Sorry about this. Should have been more ready. Here we go. All right. So I have my two dots like in the previous video. I'm actually going to bring these in a little bit because I made the dot so small, holding down the shift key so it'll grow from in or out from the center by holding down the shift key, and that's pretty good. Then I'm going to open up the blend docker. The main one is the center one because we're going to change the colors. And there's probably a couple ways you could do this, but I've already blended these. So let's just start over and make some new dots so we kind of see the whole process. We're making a 0.1, and that's only because they fit right now. So left click, fill, right click, no outline. Hit the plus key on the keyboard and move it over and get two of them. Then let's open up the blend docker, go into effects to blend. We're going to blend them 98 times because we already have two, and that'll give us 200, which is divisible by 360. So we'll take our blend and go to a new path, and we'll grab that center path and then go blend along full path. And I like the spacing, and the 200 works. So if you take calculator out and get 360 divided by 200 is 1.8, but we need to space one every third one. So instead of replacing them and doing all that work, I'm just going to go up here to Object, break the blend apart, grab that one, and I'm immediately going to turn it red, and I'm going to go to Object, and I'm going to put it in order to the front of the page, which that one already was, but that way when it rotates. I'm going to bring in some indexing lines, and I'm going to hit P. That just helps me determine the center of the page. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate of that guy, double click till we get our rotation, and then move our rotation in the center. A lot of times it doesn't look like it is there, but if we double click on it again, it's in the center. Now, we're going to rotate this thing 7.2 degrees. That's skipping three of them. Control D, because I waited just a second, I'm going to have to go 14.4. And then I can Control D all the way around and come up with that red. And then without doing any math, I mean, I did math on that. 1.8 is divisible, and then 3 times is 7.2. But without doing any math on the outer ones, I just kind of guessed. If I was doing it for real, I would probably figure out the curve and see how long it is. But we're going to make this black, take away the outline, hit the plus key. We're actually going to hit the plus key and make a duplicate of this so we can use them later. Now this time we're going to blend it 210 times. Just gives us a few more dots for the outside. And that's where I said you could figure it out with math in the curvature of that line, but that looks like they're pretty close. So now we're going to blend it again. This time I'll go 190, hit apply, blend along new path and put it on that center path, blend along full path, and there you have it. Now I could have made all the dots bigger to join them together a little bit more, but I think while they're a blend, we could actually take this and hold down the shift key and bring in one of the handles to make our dots closer. Grab this one, hold down the shift key, and make it a little bit larger. But if you wanted it dead on, you would size that when you first started. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.